Я забуду. Нажимать. Recording? Yes? Okay. Hello, I'm Vitaly from Belarus. It's a small country between Poland, Russia, Lithuania, Ukraine. Today I will show some opportunities how we can improve our performance and quality of life with uploading to wikimedia-commons and operating with wikimedia-commons and a few other useful, interesting stuff. A little bit about myself. It's my user page in Commons. I uploaded many thousands of items, and my current hobby for this year is uploading from moneymuseum.by. It's a Belarusian museum of old money, bonds, documents. It's high quality scans. You see sizes 5 megabytes, sometimes 10 megabytes in good resolution. Even right now, it's one of the browser extensions for Firefox, also for Google Chrome. I use it for many years. When on mouse hover, you can see in high resolution images, also zoom somehow. You see good quality. Oops, sometimes it's disconnect. I don't know how to fix this. This is I created on Commons category of this museum. It's and thousands of items already here, and still I need to upload thousands of items. It's everything in one category, but of course every item also have special categories, subcategories for country, for if it's money, size of this banknote, for example, is 25 Soviet banknote. Of course, sometimes we have already uploaded, especially money, it's popular content, but and sometimes I think, should I upload the same image or not? But sometimes I upload because sometimes it's have higher resolution, and without this like watermark, like example fake money, because on this website we have pure good scans. It's my stats. You can see total counts, 16,000 registered many years ago, 61 gigabytes uploaded, also 5 gigabytes of audio, because I know a special music group, art project Complex Numbers. It's special that they produce with Creative Commons music, interesting music with interesting texts, and also provide sources for this music and operas. So it looks like it's the first art project on this planet that have open source operas, and maybe not the first, but still it's very small percentage of music groups, art groups that provides sources for audio editors about their songs. It's also an important project for me. Also, okay, I just want to mention what we did. We have in Belarus, we have this website of my friend, and it's many photos of Belarus shot it just on smartphone, but many photos like this, like Google Street View. Nothing special, but for me it was important to save these photos, and after many communications about license, I said, hey, please, Creative Commons, such stuff, and finally it's a big win for me. Finally, my friend said this Creative Commons mark to this website, and my girlfriend uploaded more than 100 gigabytes from this website, almost a year of work. You see it, images. Yep. It's a big interesting project. It's still this my friend still produce photos of Belarus and other countries. Denis Blish, big content creator. Okay, now main topic of this lecture. It's about JavaScript and CSS. As you know, in browsers we have browsers extensions like this at the top right in any browser. We can install, for example, something that can block advertisements on any website and many other browser extensions. It's popular, I love them, and I spent a few years developing browser extensions as my main job and as a hobby. And also maybe you heard such term user script. It's almost the same. If you have user script, you can add manifest.json and you will get browser extension. Browser extensions have more opportunities, more permissions. For example, with browser extension we can add in context menu in browser some menu item that will do some action. But generally, user scripts also can be useful. So, in preferences in Wikipedia, in Commons and other projects, we have gadgets. And here it's a pretty big page with actually just scripts that we can enable. I recommend everybody to check this list. Maybe it will have something useful for you, for your cases. Also you can click and read more about them. And we have even bigger pages with user scripts also for Wikipedia and Commons, other projects. It's much bigger list, and as I read, after some years, if user script is popular, they can move this user script to gadgets. And also, of course, like Wikipedia, you can also, if you know how to code, you can write some user script or ask somebody to help you if it will be helpful for community. For example, I can help you write some browser extension or user script if you have some routine jobs that waste your time, you need copy paste, something like that. User script can help you. I will show later some examples. A lot of, yesterday Asaf told that Wikimedia is great about hiding tools. We have many tools. User script also, third-party tools on some GitHub repos that even sometimes difficult to find. Some integrations. For example, did you know that, for example, for Darktable, somebody wrote plugin to uploading of images from Darktable? It's a popular media manager on Mac, Windows, and Linux. But I tried, looks like it didn't work, but maybe it's already fixed. And also with OpenRefine, it's possible to upload files to Commons and this other software. For example, I plan to write Telegram bot, that it will be possible to send messages to Telegram and write categories, and it will be automatically published to Commons. As I try to research, such bot not exists. I think it can be very useful. So also I recommend to check this page. As I said, Wikipedia and Commons have this. You can search by Wikipedia user script, Commons user script, by categories. Many. You need hours, you need maybe a few days to check. It can be useful for your cases, for uploading, reading, to connect some services, to add some buttons. Even you see on this page we have these buttons just to scroll up, scroll down. I don't need them, but looks like they enabled for this page, maybe as example. And also, I want to show you that, yes, we have browser extensions, we have user scripts, we have browser extensions to manage user scripts and styles, I will show later, but also it's interesting that in preferences, maybe you know this, yes, we have skins, and after skins we have shared CSS JavaScript for all sites, for all skins and for all wikis. So you can put custom CSS, custom JavaScript right here, and you can change, for example, how Wikipedia looks. For example, you can hide some elements that you don't need. For example, for 10 years you upload some photos and you don't want to see some block on the page. Please think about licenses. You already know this, and you won't hide this, but there is no such option. You can write CSS one line, CSS selector, display none, or somebody can help you in community. I can help you, or maybe such user script already exists, user style, user script, and as we have this in preferences on website itself, it means that, for example, on Safari on iPad, you cannot install browser extensions on Safari on iPad, for example, but you can put some CSS and JavaScript here. It means that using any browser, any device, even on smart TV, you can, if you log into your account, you can have some differences how Wikipedia looks, and JavaScript that can change something. Okay, what next? Okay, time to show. I spent a few years and still I maintain my custom theme for Wikimedia, Wikipedia, Wikidata. Boom. I have this bigger font, hide left sidebar, because I don't need it. I have, on Wikipedia we have hotkeys and yes, I still have some buttons at the top here, and at the left, the most useful it's languages that I have, but because I have no left sidebar usually, I moved the languages selection to the bottom, maybe difficult to see, and languages that I understand, I increased their font size. So with CSS you can something hide, something highlight, and usually I read Wikipedia like this. Usually on my screen it looks better. It's contrast that I prefer. Everything is great for me, but sometimes, of course, I find some visual problems when Wikimedia they change some HTML or CSS. It's broke a little bit, and I adapt. And also, as I see on some pages, we have a lot of custom CSS, and sometimes I adapt to it, but usually it works for me. This is how Wikidata looks for me. Also, again, I don't need left sidebar, but as I found, exists some user scripts, maybe even gadget, I don't know, where we can get button here. You can click, it will be hide. Click again, it will be toggle button. But usually it's my Wikidata, how it looks like. Also, you see it's Firefox itself also totally black, and I like it when absolutely black browser and black page background at the night. It's great. Maybe, of course, nobody like it. You can make it pink, for example, with rainbows as you want. About rainbows, it's called browser extension called Stylus. For Firefox and other browsers, multiple such browser extensions exist. On for example, for Firefox, it's addons Mozilla.org. For Chrome, Google Chrome, another store, you can type user style. What you can see, Stylus recommended extension, and I use this. I'm not sure about others, but multiple options exist. Even without browser extension at all, it's possible to as I read, maybe it's possible to put your CSS into some browser folder in your profile. So let's, I will show you, not everybody knows, click Find Styles, and right here, even without opening other page, we can see styles here. Not all of them good, not all of them works, because Wikimedia changed sometimes HTML, CSS a little bit, and on screenshot you can see something beautiful, but when you install, you can get some broken something. You can report to afters, you can read comments. If you click userstyles.world, somebody, and if I log in, sign in, you can send reviews. And about security, CSS code like this is very secure. Of course, nothing is perfect, but it's much safer than JavaScript. It's about style, so it's safer than JavaScript if you think about security. But I remember that still I read that with some CSS it was possible to detect what you type, and with CSS it was sending your types into some remote server, but usually it's secure. So what else? Find styles. Also, you can install multiple at the same time. As you see, usually they black or dark. As you know, on Wikipedia we already have official dark mode, but for me, I still prefer my user script without left sidebar and with some custom things that I need. What we have here, for example, something like this, if you want. Wikipedia reading, something like this. Oh, something pink. You can set any logo if you want. Also biscuit. Some anime. Now background. Oh yes, you see. So you can learn yourself CSS if you don't know, or you can use existing, or somebody can help you with it. You see a lot of, because it's Wikipedia, it's a popular website, and we have many themes here. You can use this browser extension not only for Wikipedia, for any website. If it's pretty popular, high chances that already somebody wrote CSS for it. Background not loading. Okay, and also if you click Find Styles, or on the CS user styles word, just on this website you can type Wikipedia and 140 results, and you can see from here, sort by rating, most installs, for example, to have better results. And if you will try to write CSS, please check that already maybe somebody wrote the same CSS or JavaScript that you want, because it's a big community, and it's said that after a few days of work you find that somebody already had this. Okay, what else? This is GitHub repo. I have only 14 stars. You can contribute, you can use this user style with some additional JavaScript. Okay, this is how the CSS looks like. It's manually written for many years. So you can see with specified domain. So for example, Wikisource. For Wikisource, I want to highlight this, hide this, change color of this. Or some specific pages, for example, on Commons, I will show later during uploading. I want to have, for example, bigger thumbnails, bigger previews. I love that, it's useful because when I type description, when I upload a lot of photos, I don't remember what on this very small, very tiny photo. With CSS, you can have it bigger because browser already downloaded original big photo from your computer, but original style wikimedia-commons shows very small during uploading. For example, also display none. No. Yes, for example, display none. It's all selectors that I don't want to see. They pointless for me. For example, footer on every page. I don't need them. If once per month I need them, I can make one click to disable my theme and see everything in original style. Okay. And now, main topic of my talk about this website. Name of this topic is about integration of museum websites with wikimedia-commons, and I will show you what I did. It's only a few years old, this Belarusian website about money, bonds, coins, related stuff. Not only money of Belarus, but it's thousands of good high quality scans here, like this. Thousands. 37 pages only in this category, and almost every day I upload a few scans. Beautiful pictures. For example, this one. This is there is no description, but in social networks they have bigger descriptions. For example, this one, it's interesting, 1917. It's I read that during the time in some territories of Belarus, Russia, Ukraine, and maybe it's a global phenomenon that when in your country economical system is absolutely broken and you have a war, a revolution, but people, some organizations, they still need some type of money, and they actually draw manually these papers, manually drawn. So everyone is a little bit different. Manually draw, but real money from 1917. And also about money and about bonds. License of most countries, as I see that it's possible, legally possible to upload current money or some money certificates, coins, or maybe not current, but if this country has this bonds years ago, and Soviet Union as well, or in Russian Empire, of course, it's many years. So it's possible, but also it's possible even if after is alive, even if it's not very old. So you see there is no Creative Commons license here, but it's legal, it's a special license, not public domain, but I will show you. It's special exempt from license of many countries. But the problem, I have a problem here. The problem is I don't remember is it uploaded or not. I don't remember is it uploaded or not. And it's many pages, many files, and I don't remember. I had this problem, and many is popular problem when you have some website, you upload something, and when many people you coordinate, for example, you will upload this category, you will upload this category, but still people can upload from the same page. Some people that you don't know, they can upload. Maybe right now somebody, I did not upload this one, but maybe somebody right now uploading this file, and I don't need to upload this again. Yes, I can check related category, but maybe it was uploaded to random category, or maybe just to another category, I don't know that name. And I have this problem, I need to do something with this. What to do? Firstly, I tried, of course, maybe you know, maybe not everybody know everything. Oops, I don't know why. Exist such browser extensions, multiple of them, for it's called reverse image search. I have this image, right click, and for example Google, show me all websites that have this picture, 3 old rubles, and we have some websites. Oh, and even I found Wikimedia. So no, it's another one. So it looks like I need to upload this or not, and we need to waste time trying to scrutinize. But yes, it's also interesting to look into this, and maybe we can find some additional sources of good scans. But also it's maybe we have, but maybe it's some error of Google that actually we have in common this image, but Google not found it, or it's difficult to see because a lot of files like this, they look similar. We need manually to check, oh, this looks like similar to this, but no, oh, this one, yes, 3 rubles, oh, that's another side, but maybe it's back side. Yes, of course, it's a good instrument, but as you see, there's no way to specify domain here. Show me, please, images only from commons. In Google, no such functionality. It was Google, also we have Google Images, another point. Let's try here, maybe it's better. Okay, and images, where is images? No images, doesn't work. Maybe if I click here, no, not working. But I found that Yandex, also let's try Bing. One by one. Do we have ability to specify domain? Nothing found. Nothing. Slow loading, but also I remember that actually this website, actually if you try to load some page, you will see that its loading is slow. Oh, now it's from cache, but let's try page that's not in cache. You will see it's slow loading, sometimes very slow. It's really, for me, it's one of the reasons to upload to wikimedia-commons, because even on good internet connection, sometimes I need minutes to wait this 5 or 10 megabytes to load. It's really one of the reasons to upload to commons as a backup and to see this. And also it's funny that already for a few times this website was unavailable. This is also one of the reasons why to upload to commons, because now we have this website. Tomorrow, I don't believe already, I know very well that now we have this website, but tomorrow maybe not. Wikimedia-commons is good that even if after 20 years we will got some bad management, bad people in commons, and they will destroy the project, we have backups of commons. Everybody can download. On commons we have on Wikipedia also API and a lot of infrastructure of instruments that you can download data. Of course, it's a lot of data, images, texts, and this is, for me, it motivates me to have backups as well. Okay, what next? Okay, nothing here, but I need to find this. Is this image uploaded or not? And I found Yandex, originally from Russian company. Also some results, and already looks better. Already found the same, but also some similar. But also here I can specify site commons wikimedia.org, and now we will have only from commons. Yes, not the same, but only from commons, and bigger previews with less wasted space. Good, it's already useful. But even if we will move more into this, I wrote my browser extension. At this point you see search in Wikimedia-commons by hash, SHA1. What hash is, every file on your computer, on the internet have hash. we have multiple hashes, MD5, SHA, 256, and many others. Hash is like unique fingerprints. If you have two identical files with the same content, their hash will be the same. Files can have different file names, but if content is the same, hash will be also the same. If even one byte is changed, even if one pixel is changed, hash will be totally different. Not one symbol, but absolutely different. Hash is maybe like 20 characters, and two files with any names have the same hash. But if in images, we can have metadata inside images from photo, like location. Also, if somebody change this metadata of file, it's another bytes, and hash will be different. And I wrote this browser extension. Let's click. Now we have working. I can maybe add spinner later to show some progress. It's working in the background using Wikimedia-commons API, looking for the same hash on Wikimedia-commons. Let's wait for result. Maybe somebody already uploaded this file, maybe not. It's slow, maybe it's because it's big file, 5 megabytes. Usually it works. Live show, I don't like slides. Yes, I have slides as backup, but nothing happens. Maybe something is broken, Looks like no. Network, let's try again. Search in Wikimedia-commons by hash. Oh, there is no network call. I don't know why. Usually it works.
Is the air conditioner?
Yes, it's air conditioner. Yes, for 10 minutes. Maybe it's not air conditioner, maybe it's from another room, but please try. Disable air conditioner. Oh, you see, finally you have this. Not exist in commons. But if, for example, let's try, what to try? I'm not sure, maybe this. I remember I uploaded this. Yeah, thanks. Let's try search in Wikimedia-commons by hash, not by pixels like similar to these pixels. Yes, you see? And I can click and I can open this page, and usually it burns my eyes at night. Usually I look into this, and what's the license? License, you see, some special license. Yes, exempt, because it's legal. It's from 1990, but it's legal to upload this. So it's example of integration of museum website or any other website. This browser extension, click, and yes, exactly this file with the same hash found in commons. It's also possible that two different files can have the same hash. It's possible, but chances very low. And I remember that, sure, okay, it's another story, but just it's almost 99.9999% that you will never in your life have this problem. Usually, if hash is the same, files are the same, different hash, different files. If metadata not changed, for example. Even maybe I can show you in this network. Let's try search. Oh, but no, why nothing here? I don't know why. Okay, this is examples of integration, and also I wrote CLI tools for that. I can show you these tools. If I will find this Wikimedia. User scripts. Okay, not here, but on GitLab. Usually I use GitLab, not GitHub, because GitHub is proprietary, GitLab is open. You can install GitLab on your Raspberry Pi, on your mobile phone, on your server. I have many repos here. I don't know why, but not found. But if I try commons, no, hash. Oh yes, this one. Also, if you will write some browser extension, some code project, please think about discoverability. So think about SEO, title, description, text. On GitHub, GitLab, it's possible to specify text. I don't have text here. So think about how 5 years from now people will find your useful project for them. And I will show you, it's just a few lines of code. This one? Yes. By CLI, commons wikimedia file by hash. How to use this CLI, name of software, space, name of your file. And you will receive answer. Is it exists or not? If not exists, you will receive empty output. If it exists, you will receive clickable link to these files in commons. So even on your local machines, you can use, for example, this simple script, a few lines, to check if file with the same hash, the same file exists on commons. And it will not upload your files. For example, you can have 4 gigabytes video file. This command will scan your file from hard drive to calculate hash locally and send like 20 characters. Even if you have very slow internet connection, it will work. You will receive answer. So it's also one of the example how to improve our lives. I will close this. Okay, this is for later. Oops. And even more, I have a much better example what I did with this museum website. I was very happy when I did it. Not here, maybe here. It's downsides of don't have slides. Back. Okay. Okay, let's just go to this category. So, I will open better page. As I remember, page 30. Yes, for example, here. Oh, you see, slow website. Even if you have fast internet connection, slow their website. This page already must be cached. Yes, maybe this one. Let's wait a little bit. Sorry. Huh? Oh, you remember? Cached. Oh no, yes, but I want. Okay, for example, this one. I want to know, is it uploaded or not? And I wrote code, JavaScript, and I got excellent functionality. This one, enable this user script. Click, yes. Reload this page. And wait for a few seconds. Now we will have something interesting here. I hope.
It showed something and then показало язык.
Let's try again. Sometimes we need to wait because big files. No. Maybe ad blocker. Oh, no. Oh, yes, you see. You see this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Post, not post. API, yes. The same API, like I show you for CLI request. Yes, this headers, just this URL. API, action, query, list all images, format JSON, and hash of every image inside every page. And you see now we have these numbers. Actually, it's links. So I know that inside we have 2 images, but the gray, no links, it means that not uploaded to Commons. If somebody upload to Commons, we will have links here. Try maybe on this page. Yes, I remember it should be uploaded. Yes, 1, but gray mean not uploaded. Maybe on previous page. Yes, it must be uploaded. Okay, until when we wait, trust me. If it uploaded, we have link here. I can click and open Commons file about this 1 image, 2 image. If we have 10 images inside, I can open this as well. So this is example. It works only for this website, but already we have a base code. If you want this, we can adjust this to your website, adjust design if you want, and it can be useful. So this function calculate hash for file without dependencies. If file with the same hash found in Commons, put link. Where is link? Yes, you see Anchor tag with link. If not found, just gray text with number. It's only like 20 lines of code, not very difficult, and we can adapt this to any website. And I'm very happy that it greatly improves my performance, because when it loads, it's why we upload to Commons. When it loads, I can see is it uploaded or not. Okay. Oh, not. After a few minutes, we will check again this web page. Now something next. I can close this. Okay. Okay, I will show you what I did with process of uploading. Is it open? Page to upload. Okay. On my bookmarks I have upload. It's useful, maybe not everybody knows, in Firefox we can type star and it will look into your bookmarks. If not star but this, shift 6, how it's called, I don't know. It will look only your history in browser. As I remember, there is no such functionality in Google Chrome, but in Firefox, percent it's search only in open tabs. Also useful, especially if you have 100 tabs. Upload, yes, upload wizard. I have this, and you see in URL I have also. It was a surprise for me. Some of you may know this, but I believe not everybody. That we can specify. We have pre-fill some fields by specifying in URL parameters their values. So not all fields, but caption, description. Sometimes I have no time for captions, but this is a required field. And sometimes I set just to do for later. And also categories specify here. And few other fields you can have pre-filled such special link for you. And so when you reboot your computer, you can open the same link and it will improve your performance. Let's try to upload already. Where is desktop? This desktop, these two images. Let's upload them. You see 11 megabytes, 8 megabytes, high quality images. I love it. When it's still uploading, okay. Let's wait a little bit. How it looks originally, this page. This, for example, I don't need these steps. I know. Hide this, please. I don't need this. Please visit help desk. Okay, hide this, please. Hide left sidebar. At the bottom, I don't need these links. It's yes, I know this. I know a lot of noise. Yes, now it's better. I prefer this. Once per year, once per month, I can disable this and still click. Also, again, not everybody knows, but on Wikipedia, on Commons, we have hotkeys that works even without JavaScript. Also, I have good names. This is original name, concatenation with title. Also, I forgot to show you another browser extension. It's also small. Oh, so first problem. What we have problem here? Problem is file name. If I save this file name is not very good. Yes, it's also not very bad, but I want to have this in file name. I tried different approaches, and what I did, it works for me. Another simple, like 5 lines of code. Reload this page. You see, we have copy button here. Copy. I click here, and in my clipboard I have title, but spaces replaced to underscores and a few other characters. It's also improved my performance. I love it. Okay, it's uploaded. Next step. How it looks originally, like this. Okay, like almost like the same. What I need to specify: source, license. 1917. It's also another browser extension. For example, licenses. Oh, it's on another computer. But if you type something frequently, for example, email address or licenses, you can, for example, new. For example, it will be my license. It's long to type. Clipping, new. Some problem. And later, even after computer reboot, I can paste the same something to any field. Okay, let's now, maybe it's okay, let's set that sorry, but maybe it's wrong license. Maybe later I will change. Source. Are you sure public domain?
Yes, I know it because it's an official document. Everything is official English.
Maybe it's not. Okay, Gomel. Where is public domain? At the left, maybe. Okay, let's try just this. I will change later. I don't know who after is. Maybe later we will find this. This step, I told you how to hide this. Big previews. You see, original design. Now it's okay, but for example, I need to type text from here. I don't see what I don't see, and especially if you have many items here, it's good for description to have bigger previews. Yes, I have this browser extension developed, not me. This to have bigger sometimes, but just for any website. But for some reasons, because it's not uploaded, maybe yet it's still on our computer. Click this, and in browser I have big previews. You can make it smaller if you want, but it works for me. Everything. I can read it finally. I can type description for it. Again, fields hidden that I don't need. I can make it black. Also, sometimes I experiment with some design elements for me. I love it. Also, another useful stuff, date, and I see I have this button, copy date to next uploads, only below. So it means that, for example, before I can have another date. It's also useful. Also, wonderful button. You see, generate description. I have button to generate descriptions for files. Not with artificial intelligence, but maybe it's also possible with some API. But it's simple case. For this museum website, for such documents, it's basic case because we have front side and back side. And I want from commons page of front sides to see also back sides. It's usual case. I click this button, generate description, another side, because this scripts copy file name from that file, replace front to back, back to front. And also later I will put also correct category. Oh, why is this thumbnail is small? I don't know why. Okay, publish files. Here, but why is not copy? I don't know why. Okay, publish files. Wait a little bit. Beautiful images. Oh, also here. Maybe it's not enough time, I will not show you, but also I have user script that shows category right on this page. It's not enabled now, I can see categories. And here you see something is broken, but usually I have here correct file name. And the last one on uploads page. Is it enabled? No, now it's not enabled. Enable this, reload page, and now you see, now we have file names reloaded, and now we have also categories. For every file, I have all categories of this file right on this page. I love it, also very useful. Also, it's just, also I want to mention, it's like a bonus, not related to this, but it's also important. Some of you may not know this project, Wmceem. With this project, you can run locally script and it may download the website. For example, this moneymuseum.by for a week, it's possible to download this website locally, and also if it's open public license and they host the script, they run it automatically once per week. For example, you can read these websites locally. It's also, of course, Wikipedia, GentoWiki added by me and other many projects. It's useful also to backup websites and to read offline. Also, some people publish it to torrent trackers. torrents, it's not always piracy, but I see that some people upload dumps also of Wikipedia and other projects to Pirates Bay and other websites. It's also culture preservation. It's also some wiki project about sport. Also, some people, including me, upload also to torrents. Torrents with images, with something you see source from commons, and it can be sometimes it's big. Also, archive forks. Many people also upload many, for example, old scans to archives. So also I do it as a backup, and also on Wikidata it's possible to specify it into archive fork. Like this, you see 29 gigabytes of scan. Can you imagine this? Everything in commons and everything in archive org with high quality resolution. You see, very beautiful, and not of them still published. Hundreds of such newspapers not scanned and scanned but not published. Published but not on Wikisource. We need to have text. Yes, it's you see we can select but it's not perfect. We need to check this. And the last 1 minute is also as a bonus important topic for me, really important. It's just a game, yes, just a game. But what is special? This game, it's related to commons, culture preservation. This game released 20 years ago, and the fact is, this game, Arms of Exigo, nobody sells this game anymore. Not on Steam, not on any platform. Maybe on eBay you can find some broken CD, maybe, but maybe not. And I found this, really, we lost some books, some music. For example, this game, you cannot buy this game anymore. You can download this only on torrents. And I will not show you, I just tell you that I found after developers, also I found that this company, developers, not exists anymore. Publisher company not exists anymore. Yes, people alive, most of them. I wrote them, hey, please, I love this game, please make a remaster or fix some problems, because on Windows 11 you cannot run this game. If you have some video card, just usual video card, you can find this, you cannot run this game. And only, yes, already you see this resolution 3x4. This resolution was added by unofficial patch. Originally we have only 3x4 resolution. So I wrote to developers, please make it open source, make it free, community, we will fix it, it will be alive. But they told me, oh, public rights not clear, they're too busy developing new games now. They developed this great game 20 years ago and don't care anymore. Okay, and the last, this game, you see even category here, abandoned war games. We have many games in this category and it's very good. I want to tell you, if you know some games that is nobody sell anymore, please maybe write to publisher, developer. Maybe if they don't need this game anymore, maybe they can give sources and specify license. And the last slide, we have no time, the last slide. Also some game, actually I never played this game, but also it's an online game, and then a few years ago they stopped operating this game, Prime World, like Dota. Not excellent, but good game. And some people, including me, wrote to head guy of that company, hey, you don't need this game anymore. It's financially it was bad for you. You don't make money from this game. Official website no longer exists. Make it free, give our sources. And it was a win. This guy said yes. And now looks like it's free, not completely free, because it's by license. We cannot use this for business, for making money, but we have sources and you can fix, improve, and after 20 years we will have Windows 15. This game will still run because people from all over the globe, like Wikipedia, will be able to fix it, adapt it, port to another operating system, Yes. So we have not enough time. Sorry, maybe questions later because absolutely no time. But when next guy replace laptop, I can maybe answer your questions about anything. Scripts, CSS, archive fork, torrents. Yes.
Try to contact the Vector 2022 community because they replaced this Vector 2022.
Yes. No, 2010 because I started this theme 5 years ago.
Yeah, so my ideas, maybe they can use your expertise because there are, let's say, lots of Wikipedians who are quite critical of this new vector.
Yes.
Maybe you can give your feedback, which would be quite.
Yes, I told some on related pages about dark theme, and yes, I believe we talk about artificial intelligence, but on many websites they still have problems with just the markup. It's crazy, and yes, for example, I can imagine that on Wikipedia we can have some checkbox like pro mod that will hide blocks about license, also please don't upload random files, think about license. Yes, I know this. You can disable this. Or maybe you can have checkbox from just many options. But on desktop, on browser, I mean, if you have desktop application, it's difficult to change it. But on web, we can change how this website looks and we can add buttons. Yes, I'm finished.
Yeah, because it's already...
Yes, next guy can... Yeah. Also, if you have some ideas for your community, maybe I can help you with code. If it improves your performance, if you need some copy paste from other websites, something like this.